PBL3 on this topic. Now you can ask me any question on this.
Are you ready for questions?
Yes, I am ready for questions.
What we need to do work?
Energy,
What we need from the air to break down the food?
oxygen,
In which process the energy is released from the food?
respiration.
What are the three glands present in digestive system? Show.
Three glands.
Hmm.
This first gland,
Hmm.
parotid gland, submandibular,
Ah.
sublingual.
That three are salivary glands. Next.
Next, liver,
Ah.
pancreas.
Okay. Next. We get oxygen from.
We get oxygen from the air.
Okay. How oxygen released into the air?
Blood.
No, oxygen.
Oxygen.
Who
by
release
nose.
oxygen? Who release oxygen into the air?
Trees.
Very good. Next. What is inhale?
Breathing in.
What is exhale?
Breathing out.
What are the main parts of respiratory system?
Lungs.
Good. Next. I breathe with the help of my moist skin. Who am I?
It's warm.
Next. Tracheal tubes are present in.
Grasshopper.
Good.
Means insects.
I can breathe both inside and outside the water. Who am I?
Frog.
Good. Which part of the digestion system reabsorb water?
Large intestine.
Which part of the digestion system absorb nutrients?
Small intestine.
Which part of the digestion system passes the food downwards even we are upside down?
Esophagus.
Next, which is 6 meters long pipe-like structure in digestion
Small
system?
intestine.
Then, which is a dome-shaped muscular structure in respiratory system?
Dome shaped. The diaphragm.
Next, right lobe have how many lobes? Left lobe have how many? Right lung have how many lobes?
3 lobes.
Left lung have how many lobes?
2 lobes.
Which organ is mainly affected in COVID?
19.
COVID-19.
Lungs.
Which organ is also called trachea?
Trachea.
Ah.
Windpipe.
Which organ also called food pipe?
Windpipe. Foot pipe. Esophagus.
Show the gallbladder in digestive system. Good. Can you show the pancreas? Next. What digestion system starts with which organ?
Mouth.
Digestion system ends with which organ?
Digestion system starts with mouth and digestive system ends with anus.
Next. Can you show the branches?
This is branchy.
Uh,
And these 2 are branches.
okay. Next. Exchange of gases takes place in which part?
In lungs.
Okay. Next. Generally, when lungs inhale, which
When we
gas
breathe
present? When we breathe in, lungs inhale. So, which gas present inside the lungs at that time? Very good. Next, who exchange this oxygen and carbon dioxide from the
Blood.
lungs?
Red blood cells.
Okay. Red blood cells, why they are red in color?
Because of hemoglobin.
Good. Next, in that model, can you show which is diaphragm and which are what you call how lungs they show inhale and exhale?
See, this is the diaphragm. This is the lungs.
Okay, show. What is that? Inhale or exhale?
This is inhale. This is exhale. This is inhale.
Okay. Inhale means increase in size.
Increase in size.
Exhale.
Decrease in size.
Okay. In this model, can you show what are in that model? Can you show windpipe? Good. Next, in digestion system model, can you show large intestine? Good. Next, which organ in the digestion system connects the mouth with stomach?
Esophagus.
Good. Which is a sac-like structure?
Sac. Stomach.
Good. Then in which system the food usually break down?
Digestive system.
Good. So from that to digestion of that food, to break down the food, we need oxygen. So through which system generally cells get oxygen?
Respiratory system.
Very good.
Thank you.